If you're dealing with tough ink stains on your upholstery, here's a product that I like to use that always delivers wonders for us. All right, ink out, here we go. I'm doing this to demonstrate you don't need this much chemical. It was hard to do with one hand, but you can see how quickly and how much it transfers onto the cloth. Check this out. Now, this product works really, really well. We use it on carpets and upholstery. Now, that being said, every ink stain takes a little bit of persistence. You gotta be careful and gentle with the fabric, right? So it takes some time to repeat the process. But repeat it, blot it up onto a cloth, and then make sure to use an extraction tool, a machine like that, to flush out the chemical residue and make sure it's nice and clean. You see this? This is the end result. There's no more ink stains. That is beautifully done. Now, of course, if you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a product and you need to clean an ink stain right now, the best home solutions are rubbing alcohol, hand sanitizer, or hydrogen peroxide. But keep in mind, with any one of those, you do have to be careful with what fibers you use it, what fabric you're using it on, and making sure you test first in an area that you can't really see, so you can see how the chemical responds with your upholstery.